Hi, I'm Michelle, and today we'll be discussing the methods you can use to form your LLC in New Jersey. We're going to be covering the steps involved in starting your LLC, the forms you're going to need, the naming requirements, and the 5 main steps needed to actually register your LLC. I'm also going to be explaining the importance of having a registered agent and a very important term known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, if these are not familiar to you, then I highly recommend you watch this video very closely. The businesses thriving in New Jersey are the pharmaceutical and the financial services. The life sciences industry is booming over there. The sector has 3 subsectors: pharma, research of biotech, and the development of medicine. Now, currently there's around 11,000 firms operating within the country that offer finance to newer businesses, helping people with their financial chores like tax paying and business returns, and insurance companies. You can start off your New Jersey LLC by 3 methods. Number 1 is you can do it yourself, in which case you can do it online or send it off via mail. Number 2 is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there. Now, we personally recommend ZenBusiness as one of the best and most affordable services for this purpose. Number 3 is that you can go ahead and hire an attorney. Now, coming to a very common question, but an important one. What's an LLC? An LLC is a hybrid business entity which combines a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets and gives you personal asset protection. So when you're starting off your LLC in New Jersey, you mainly have to file your certificate of formation with the state and pay the mandatory filing fee of $125. Now, let's talk a little bit about ZenBusiness. What do they offer? What are they all about? They're going to offer you 3 plans: a starter plan, a pro plan, and a premium plan. It's perhaps the only formation service company that offers 3 important features in all of its plans. The starter plan has all essential services which you need to form an LLC. It's a very suitable plan for you if you want something very budget friendly and you're just starting off. Now, the starter plan is available at $0. However, you do have to pay the mandatory state filing fees. It's very cost effective and offers all your essential services like a registered agent and an operating agreement draft. Now, coming over to the Pro plan. Now, this offers some essential additional services along with all the main services offered in the starter plan. Also in the Pro plan, it takes you lesser time to form your LLC. So what are you getting in this plan? You're getting an advertising consultant, you're getting annual compliance, and expedited filing process. Now, the last plan, which is by far the costliest one, is the premium plan. The premium plan offers almost all the services related to the formation of your LLC, in addition to the services which are being mentioned in the first 2 plans, which was your starter plan and your pro plan. It offers you a faster filing process, business website, domain, and your very own email address. Now, in this video, we're going to be discussing option number 1 and number 2, but we're going to place emphasis on why exactly do you need a professional service to do the work for you, because you have to make sure you're doing your LLC work correctly. Now, this is one of those things where you can't afford missing out key information or have any form of misunderstandings. Now, ZenBusiness is a very competent professional service which you can get, because forming your LLC is not just filing the certificate of formation, but is also deciding on a name, hiring a registered agent, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. Now, all of these can be done very easily with ZenBusiness. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description below. You can go there and check them out. But for now, we're going to discuss in detail the 5 important steps that you must cover when you're forming your LLC in New Jersey. The very first step to starting off your LLC in New Jersey is choosing your business name. So before you name your business, you must know that the name should be easy to remember, should be available in the state, and follows the LLC naming guidelines. Now, you can find the naming guidelines at lcbuddy.com. The 4 key things that you need to be aware of when you are naming your LLC is that number 1, your business name should be available and no other existing business in New Jersey can share that name. Each business name is very much unique to its owner. Number 2 is that limited liability company or LLC should be there as a suffix within the company name. Number 3 is that you cannot use any name for your business which could be confusing or misleading. So terms like State Department, FBI, CIA, they should not be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, university, attorney, doctor, they can be added, but only after you fill out the additional requirements by the New Jersey state government. Now, consider that you don't want to file your LLC right now, but you want to hold on to the name that you decided. You can reserve your LLC name for 120 days. Now, you're wondering, how can I keep the name? Well, all you have to do is file the name reservation application and pay $50 to reserve your name with the New Jersey Secretary of State. The second and highly vital step to forming your LLC in New Jersey is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that's going to act and work on your LLC's behalf. You're going to receive all the important paperwork and all the official government correspondence within New Jersey. This is why you need a very competent registered agent for your LLC. You also need to make sure your registered agent is a resident of New Jersey or at least has a physical street address there. Their business address is going to be used as the LLC's principal address within New Jersey. Now, most LLC formation companies do also provide registered agent services, such as ZenBusiness. Now, ZenBusiness provides a registered agent service as an add-on to the formation package, but you can also purchase it as a standalone service. An important thing to note when getting a registered agent is the importance of having a legit one, because in case of any lawsuit or if you get sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, most people believe that they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes. The real reason for setting up your LLC is to limit your liability. Basically, what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they can't go after your personal assets. So when you're sued, the attorney is the one suing you. He's going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC, and this is where they pierce the corporate veil. The first thing they're going to check is, do you have a registered agent? Is the agent legit? And have they been filing the paperwork correctly? The third and a very important step in forming your LLC is to file your certificate of formation. The New Jersey Articles of Organization is a legal document which is needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. It's going to cost you $125 to file your formation certificate within New Jersey. Now, the certificate of formation includes details like the name of your LLC, registered agent's name, address, employee details, the structure of your company. Are you member managed? Are you manager managed? So before you start hiring off employees in New Jersey, you should really know about the rules and regulations thoroughly so you can avoid any future issues. We personally suggest using ZenBusiness to file your certificate of formation because they provide an easier way to fill out the forms without any confusion or any misunderstandings. If you happen to get stuck anywhere, they have a great customer support service. You can go ask your questions and they will respond to you. Now, the fourth step is filing your operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document which legally outlines the proprietorship and the operating procedures of your LLC. This document is really vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business resolutions, and a whole lot more. This helps reduce future conflicts. So when it comes to filing the New Jersey LLC operating agreement, the state doesn't really want you to have a very comprehensive operating agreement, but it is ideal to have one that contains the details of your entire business operation, and it is for your own benefit. It's recommended that it should be done by using a professional service like ZenBusiness. Now, since they know exactly what to do, you won't really have to worry about missing out any of the detail or have any misunderstandings. They provide the service as an add-on to your formation package for a very nominal fee. The EIN is also known as the Employer Identification Number. It's a 9-digit number given by the IRS to make it easier to identify types of businesses for tax purposes. The EIN is necessary for any active business or any form of businesses for that matter. An EIN is needed when your LLC is going to start hiring employees. Now, how do you get one? All you have to do is fill up a form, which you can do online, or you can do it by mail and submit it to the IRS. You can also get an EIN through ZenBusiness, and they can help you out with the whole process. I'm going to be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there, check out which of the options fit your requirements. But for now, I'm going to show you how you can file the forms using ZenBusiness. Now, this is the main page for ZenBusiness. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now, they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do. Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The Pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. ZenBusiness Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place. Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual verification compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check or if you want to include anything or take away anything. And then you can just continue to payment. And that's all you need to set up your LLC with ZenBusiness. Now that you've created your New Jersey LLC, what else do you need? You need a company business bank account and a business credit card. You need to file New Jersey business permits and licenses. You need to get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance, which is going to cover your employees. You need to file the New Jersey annual report every year. I really hope this detailed video will help you out on how to start off your LLC in New Jersey. I wish you the best of luck if you're starting off your business there. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the little notification button. Thank you for watching.